I think I'll try welding that. Three spots. And we're good. Okay, let's get the fillers out. Gonna apply some Endura to this flange here. I've done tests before up against the epoxy primer with the welder, and it stands up to the heat of the weld better than the epoxy, so I'm going to use it on the flange for best results. And it's a buried area. He had his din-dins. Look at him go, he's licking his chops. Yeah, it started raining. It's just sprinkling a little bit coming down. I'm under the overhang here. Should be okay. Yeah, got the top coat on. 2 coats. Let that set up for a couple of days. And if you guys are having troubles with your activator going off in storage, I just put it in a Ziploc sandwich bag and have one end right close to the lid. You just lift up the end and open it up a little bit, pour some out, seal it back up, burp the plastic bag, get the air out of it, and that lasts a long time. You know how it goes when you crack the lid on an activator. It's got a short shelf life, so this will extend it. Okay, so we'll go on to the inner frame now in the next one.